In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to attach hyperlink while creating or editing knowledge paths in Punditas AI for PTC Creo. Tailored to enterprise software like PTC Creo Parametric, Windchill, ThingWorx, Solidworks, Onshape, and more, the Knowledge Analytics module empowers you to focus on the information that matters most to you. Here's how it works. This powerful tool enables you to create customized learning paths and training programs tailored to PTC Creo users. In this video, we'll walk you through creating a knowledge path with relevant tags, starting with an overview of the Create or Edit Paths module. Start by clicking on the Create button in the Select Knowledge Path Type section. Here, you'll see two options: 1. Personal Knowledge Path and 2. Company Knowledge Path. For this demonstration, we'll choose Personal Knowledge Path. Next, you'll decide on the relationship type. For a None category knowledge path, no parent-child hierarchy is needed. This makes the path a standalone resource. Now, specify the knowledge path attributes. Add a brief description to provide context. Punditas AI also provides an option to attach links to external resources. To attach a link, select the content you want to link. For example, here we have selected Creo Intelligent Fastener, IFX. Now, click on the link button. Enter the link in the URL field. As shown here, we have attached a link. Here, you can see that the hyperlink has been successfully attached. Attaching external links to the knowledge path's description in Punditas AI offers multiple benefits. It enhances context, improves accessibility to additional resources, streamlines learning, encourages user engagement, and adds credibility by connecting to authoritative sources. Learn how to attach hyperlinks while creating or editing knowledge paths in Punditas AI for PTC Creo. Attaching links enhances context, improves accessibility, streamlines learning, boosts engagement, and adds credibility with authoritative sources. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.